WeGamerDude612, and I'm back. So, once your install gets about halfway through, it'll come up with the application itself. You can just minimize this window, because it's no longer important. What you're going to do is, once you've downloaded your game file for Pokemon Black or White or any other game, you're going to click the Add Game dialog box. And then it'll say, New Game. What you're going to do is type in the game title, so Pokemon White, and you're gonna need to go on the internet and find the game ID for the game you're finding. So just simply search into Google Pokemon White English version game ID, and then that'll allow you to use the cheat codes. And if you do already have the game, then you can also go to File. This little button with the 3 dots here. You're going to find your game wherever you've saved it to. So, let's see. I believe I have mine here. I should. Okay. No, I do not. But anyway, you'll open up your game file, and then it'll give you the ID automatically. And that'll give you the ID you want. And you'll keep the game title and everything. So I'm going to, and just leave the master code. And tick the game enable box. I'm going to open a file that I already have so that I can show you what it'll look like and give you an example from that. Okay, here we go. See, I have Pokemon Diamond and Pokemon White on mine. You're going to want to click the Cheat Enable button here. Okay, so add folder to your game. Then you're going to click Add Code. You'll type the name of the code and type the instructions on how to activate it. Now you're just going to go onto Google simply and type in blah 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 action replay codes for the game. So, for example, Pokemon White action replay codes. You're just going to find the code for the cheat you want, copy and paste the code into this, click Code Enable, and save. And then you're just going to add all the codes you want. And I'll put these codes in the description box because these are the ones I think are the best. So then you're gonna do File, Save As, save it to where you want, and make sure that the save file name is usrcheat.dat. If it's not that, then it will not work. Okay, I'm just gonna quit out of this. Then you're going to go back to your, You're gonna go back to your R4. You're gonna double click the _RPG button, go to Cheats, and drag that file, the usrcheat.dat, into the cheats folder. And then now, that will add the cheats to your DS. And now I'll show you how to activate them on your DS. Okay guys, I'm back. So now this is what your R4 loading screen will look like after you've downloaded the new operating system. It actually won't be Kung Fu Panda because that's just a setting I have on mine. So, once you get to this screen, you're going to go to the ROM that you want to activate cheats for, and see Pokemon Black and White. Click Y, then Y again, and then R. And I don't know how well you can see this, but at the top there will be a button that says Cheat In-Game, parentheses, AR. You're going to want to switch that to say On. Then once it's on, click OK, and then click the Cheats button, or click X. And then your folder will come up, the one that you made with Cheat Code Editor. Click it, and then it'll come up with all your codes. A white dot next to it means the code is on. So you're going to make sure all your codes are on. Click OK. OK, and then load your ROM. And see, as you can see, this is the Pokemon White ROM. So there's your proof that this works. And you're just going to follow the instructions that you had for opening and using the cheat code. Then once your game loads, for example, this one tells me to toss a certain amount of Pokeballs, Master Balls, to get any Pokemon I want in the grass. So then it tells me to press L and R, go to bag, And then, see, there's the Master Balls. And then I'll trash, let's say, 6. And then it tells me to press select. And to walk in the grass, and I'll see any Pokemon that I got the number for. And there you go. A wild Reshiram. You don't find those every day. And so yeah, there is your proof that this works, and that the Pokemon White ROMs work. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. And if the codes do not work, then it means the code is not right, and you'll just need to find another code. And if Cheat Code Editor does not work, then it is most likely an error with your Wine app. Thank you for watching.